Hey guys, Bellox123 here. I'm going to show you my new pets. Well, birds. So yeah, we'll get on to it. So, here they are. Sorry, I'm riding a skateboard at the moment as well. So here's the cage. At the moment it's pretty small. And a bit dirty. Just get all these leaves out of their water. Chill those leaves. Get the leaves out daily for them. So it doesn't matter about the rest of the, because they're always going to poo in it. But yeah. Okay, so they've got their food here. I'm going to top that up in a minute. So I'm not inside at the moment. So as you can see, they've got lots of branches to go on. They've got leaves. I put these leaves in about 4 days ago. Okay, so there's the birds there. The blue one is mine and the green one's my brother's. Can't open one of these. Over here, I'll just let them settle down for a second because they're only babies. You can see maybe over there, there's a little mirror for them. This mirror, they look at themselves. The blue one's a girl and the green one's a boy. So they're going to have babies in about 6 months. My brother, elder brother-in-law, is going to bring me a, what do you call them? Nesting box, and it's going to probably sit up in this big one here. So then they can have babies, and then I'll show you when they had their babies. So this is the cage. So please rate, subscribe and comment. Request videos if you want to see any of my animals and that. So yeah, just show you this quickly. That's the second level that Oscar is using at the moment. So yeah, just rate, subscribe, comment, sub me, and I'm getting chickens soon, so I'll show you my chickens and I'll show you how to collect the eggs and that. So yeah. Thanks. Bye.